In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Binance trading bot for 2025 efficiently and effectively. If you're looking to navigate the crypto world with a little more automation, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through a simple process in a user-friendly way, allowing your trades to be managed with precision. First, we'll start by opening the Binance app. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial because all the trading activities we'll discuss today are tied to your personal Binance profile. Once you're in, navigate to the Futures tab. You'll find this tab conveniently located as part of the primary menu. By selecting it, you're stepping into a section dedicated to potential growth and managing risks through futures options. Next, look to the upper right hand corner where you'll see three horizontal lines. This icon serves as a menu drop down and acts as a gateway to additional options within the futures section. Click on it, and among the set of options that appear, there is one labeled bots. Select this to dive into the automated trading segment. Now let's discuss setting up your bot. You'll be presented with the opportunity to choose among various bot types tailored to your trading style, starting with the spot grid bot. This bot is perfect if your strategy involves buying low and selling high, allowing your investment to capitalize on market fluctuations. Alternatively, if you're interested in leveraging your trades, consider the futures grid bot. This option amplifies your trading potential, but do note the increased risks associated with leverage. Next, you need to pick a trading pair for your operations. For instance, a popular choice is BTC USDT, which lets you trade Bitcoin directly against Tether, a stablecoin tied to the US dollar. Once you've selected your preferred pair, look for the Customize Parameters button. By tapping this, you can either manually adjust the settings of your trading bot or opt for the AI strategy, which provides auto-generated trading parameters. After selecting your strategy, it's time to set your investment details. Specify the amount you wish to invest, determine a price range, and define the grid levels. This step is essential as it influences how your trades will be executed. When you're satisfied with your settings, proceed by tapping Create. A confirmation window will pop up summarizing your choices. Review these thoroughly to ensure everything aligns with your strategy before confirming. Once everything is confirmed, your bot will spring into action, trading automatically based on the parameters you've set. Keep in mind that all these activities are flexible. If at any point you feel the need to pause or stop trading, you have the option to do so under Running Bots. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your Binance trading bot for 2025. With these steps, you are now ready to let automation work for you in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency trading.